you how to make Lima beans masala vada.
To prepare the Lima beans or the Hitikida Avarekalu Masala Vada, let's prepare the dough. Transfer 6 green chilies to the blender jar. Add 4 red Badige red chilies, 10 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of chopped ginger, 3/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder. I've taken 100 gram of gram dal, washed and soaked in water for about 4 to 5 hours, and I've drained all the water. Transfer the gram dal to the blender jar. Let's blend it coarse. To the coarse mixture, add very little water. I've blended into a coarse mixture like this. I've taken 400 gram of Lima beans. It's called Avarekalu in Kannada. Soak the Avarekalu or Lima beans in water for about 4 to 5 hours. Wash it and peel the outer layer. Now we have the Hitikida Avarekalu Lima beans with outer layer peeled. Transfer this to the blender jar. Let's blend it coarse. Blend Lima beans to a coarse paste like this. Add this to the gram dal dough. Add a pinch of asafoetida. Add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Add salt according to taste. Add 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Add 1 tablespoon of curry leaves. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped cilantro. Add 1 tablespoon of mint leaves. Add 2 tablespoons of dill leaves. Now combine well. Add 3 tablespoons of grated coconut. Mix well. The vada dough is ready. Heat sufficient oil to fry the vada. Wet your hand like this. Take small portion of the dough and make ball like this and flatten it and lower it in the oil. Keep flipping over. It should fry evenly both the sides. Deep fry on medium flame. The vada is deeply fried, golden brown. Drain the oil. Crispy Lima beans or Hitikida Avarekalu Masala Vada is ready. It's a best tea time snack. Try our recipe at your home. Kindly comment, like, share the recipe and subscribe to Aditi Food channel.